Hi everyone, here Tanisha, Siva and the metric 0120220200009, and I'm currently taking Bachelor in Accounting and Finance, and the subject is Introduction to Multimedia. The code is FMM 20103. So that here in the main page we have an click icon which indicates next slide. So here is three main multimedia that I choose. For the game, I choose a Heyday, and for business, I choose a Princess, and for the e-learning, I choose Hello Chinese app. Okay, so I set these images or logos in a hyper image that we can click here. So the Heyday. So the Heyday is an international freemium farming simulator video game which is developed by Supercell. So the Heyday was released for iOS on 21st June 2012 and Android on 20 November 2013. So the game is basically involves growing crops, cultivating trees and bushes, crafting products, and raising animals and pets on a farm. So players can trade codes with non-playable characters as well as weather players to earn points and experience points and progress in the game. So leveling up is an important factor as the more items, crop futures, building are unlocked as the player progresses. So there are in this game there are two areas, which is a fishing lake and a town. So the player, when the player come to the certain levels or reach the certain levels, they can unlock the fishing lake and the town. And the decoration and the customization also included in the game. And the decoration and the customization we can board to the spruce at the farm with the we can board them with a diamond or the points that we get. So this is the introduction to the Heyday. Next is the elements. There are 5 elements in the multimedia. So the first in this game is okay, this is a sound element. As seen in this video, once the app is open, the players will welcome with an audio and was engaged with background music as they navigate through app. This is used to add the interest of the player while using the app. So next. So this is a graphic. So graphic on this multimedia application is to attract the players and also to illustrate the pictures as the respective things in the player's mind. As see, here is the paper. So this is a computer graphic. So this will illustrate in the player's mind as a paper. So this is a vector graphic which are drawn on the computer and added in this app, which helps the players to identify the things that they need to buy. So the next element is a video. So in this game, as a trailer, which player can view. So the trailer is a based video which players need to view for the extra rewards. This is not necessary to players to view, but when they are not enough tools or the diamond is not enough to continue, then they can watch the trailer or which is a video for free to get the rewards. And the trailer is about 30 seconds, and in after watch the trailer the player can get a diamond or the tools that rarely get through the game. So the next is animation. Okay, so the animation in this application is the most important element which attract the players very well. In this app, the animation which making the static image look like it's moving, as we saw in this video that the fish is moving around. So this is called the static image look like it's moving. So the animation that used in this application is a 3D dimension. So the animation is used to add the visual interest or bring attention to the important information or links. It can illustrate how things work or present information in an entertaining way, which helps to increase the user for the application. So the next is a text. So the text is a very important in any other application. So this app is using different text sizes, colors, and also different types. The example text type in this app is a subject or the title. So the text type is help the player to continue the game, which is the role of navigation. So the using such a text helps player to identify how to play the game and also help them to buy the soul. So here the texts are for the apple tree collect 3 times. So the player can know. So the player need to buy the apple tree for 3 times, at least for the 3 times. Okay, so that's it for the e-game. So we go for the home again. So we go for e-business. Okay. So the Princess is a website of e-business. This is the URL. So the introduction is the Princess is an e-commerce website specialized in a personalized gift in which anybody can design their own gift with our easy to use online design tools and get a unique gift for themselves and their loved ones. So the shop is only providing a delivery service. They are no pick up the things, and we no need to rushing all that, so it's more easy, uh, and can easily give some surprise gift to our loved ones in a correct time. So the mission of this website is to make a gift giving personal for every individual and to enhance the corporate branding for companies. And the vision is to be a largest online DIY gift printing platform in EU. So the shop is located at Klang and Slangmore. But what do you call we don't need we can visit the shop, but we cannot in this pandemic time we cannot go through the shop. So that they fix the delivery service, not a pickup service. So next is a text. Text is a very important in e-business. The customer can order or custom in this app by reading the text provided. The customer also can see the voucher or discount from the website, which in the text format. So it's easier for them to apply the discount or voucher code when it's in a text format. So the delivery status, order details, and the customer satisfaction all are in the text format, which make the customer and the seller to know about the order items and its review respectively. So now, and this is animation. Then in this web, there's animation that water pour into a cup and see what is your design appear after the hot water is poured. So the animation that made in the application is to navigate the customer and also give some information about the gift. So for a new customer, they need to know how the design need to customize and how it works. So the animation will tell how the gift works. Next is the pictures. So the pictures are shown in this website to make sure that the customer to know what other gift can make and how it will be. So these are the bitmap images, which are the real images that capture from devices and placed in the website for the customer view. So next is a video. Okay, so this is a video. So the following video that appear in the website to show the customer how to create their own gift in their creative. So this video can determine whether the customer wants to continue the shopping or not. So there are two benefits through this video, which is for seller and also for the customer. So next is For sound, so there's a sound in the website. Okay. Okay, so the sound shown in this video is a purposely to increase the customer's interest in the website and make the video more. Okay, so we go for the phone. So this is an app for the Hello Chinese. So we click this. So this is the introduction for the Hello Chinese app. There is the URL here. So Hello Chinese is a language learning app for mobile devices. It uses a daily goal approach to help the learners attain the conversational level of Chinese. It's claimed to teach the learners over 1,000 words and 320 characters and 235 grammar points. So the app contains a features like Chinese speech recognition, the ability to write the Chinese characters, game-based lessons, pin-in courses for newbies, daily training and a study courses tracker, offline capabilities, and also the traditional simplified Chinese character and support. So the Hello Chinese is available for the both Android and iOS devices, and it's a free downloaded app. Okay, so the first is the pictures. So the pictures are added in this application to make sure user to identify the correct answer. The visuals are more attractive than text, which is help the app to increase the learners very fast. These are the bitmap images, which are known as a real images that capture using devices. These images are added to the app to attract learners to use the following application. Next is a text. The text can be found throughout the app as a navigation purpose and also used as a title, which helps the learner to find out the topic of the lesson. So the text also used to show whether the answer that a learner speaks are correct or wrong. It's a more easier for learners to learn the Chinese by this app. The text used in this application also uses different font size, so the styles and also different background colors. Next. So animation. So this is animation. So this is animation is made in this application to help the learners to write the basic Chinese words. This will improve the learners' Chinese skill and also can increase the amount of learners towards the app. This is in a 2D dimension. Next is a sound. Okay. So this is a sound element plays an important role in this app. These apps are users to say the Chinese pronunciation very well. So the sound also attract the learners and they can easily find out the answer for the question that asked in this app. So next is a video. Okay, the video that's shown in this particular app is help the learners to learn the Chinese very quickly. The video and the visuals make the learners to concentrate in the learning, and the attraction from the learners toward this video will reach the objective of the app. Okay, so that's all for the e-business. We go for the home. So here is the impact of multimedia. This is a hyperlink. So we'll click this. So the impact of the multimedia is that e-game and the e-business and e-learner all. So this increase the multiple language skill and increase knowledge of e-business and e-learning, relieving stress while play game, more happier when learn something new, and can save time and money when using e-business platform. Okay, that's it from me and thank you.